In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a task on ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mark a task as complete so your workspace stays organized and your progress is crystal clear. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in your browser or through the desktop app. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for your spaces. These are the organized areas where your teams and projects live. Click the team space that contains the work you're handling today. If you collaborate across multiple spaces, double check you're in the one where the task was originally created, so you're working in the right place. Inside the space, you'll see your tasks arranged in a view like list or board. Now it's time to locate the specific task you want to close. You can scroll through your current view, or, if you have a lot of items, use the search bar at the top to quickly find it by name or keyword. Filters can also help if you're looking within a certain status or assignee, but the goal here is simple. Find the exact task you need to close so you don't accidentally update the wrong one. Once you spot it, click the task to open it. This brings up the task details where you can see its title, description, comments, and any attachments. Take a quick moment to confirm you've opened the correct task, especially if you have several with similar names. This small pause can save you from making changes to the wrong item. Now, look for the status control in the task window. It's typically near the top, close to the task title, and it shows the current state of the task, like to do in progress or something similar. Click that status indicator to open the status menu. You'll see a list of options defined for your workspace. From that menu, select Complete. This action changes the task status to complete, effectively closing it. You may notice the task gets a green check mark or moves out of your active list depending on your view and workspace settings. That's your confirmation that the task is now closed. If your organization uses custom statuses and you don't immediately see complete, look for the option your team designates as the final done state. In many setups, it will be labeled complete. And that's all there is to it. Open your ClickUp account, click the correct team space, locate your task, open it, click status, and choose complete. Your task is now officially closed and your project tracking is up to date.